Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to upload a video to GoDaddy. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official GoDaddy website right here, godaddy.com if you haven't already, and after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page, where in the upper right corner we can get started logging into our account. So if you do not already have an account, just go ahead and create a new one, and after logging in, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, where we can get started with logging in the domain name, we can see all the products and services we can access, and so on. So guys, let's go ahead and see how to add a video to our project in GoDaddy. Basically, if you open up the products and services right here, let's go ahead and click get started. Now we can get started seeing all our products, and what we can do is go ahead and open up our project in GoDaddy Studio. So after you have opened up your project guys, these are the steps we need to follow, as you can see right here on the help page of GoDaddy, on how to get started with adding our videos. As you can see, after logging into your GoDaddy Studio account, in the upper right corner we can select new project and then select transparent. So from the menu you can select video, and then guys you can go ahead and get started with uploading the video from your PC to your GoDaddy Studio to go ahead and get started with adding it to your project, after which you can edit it however you want and upload it to your project, which you'll be able to upload right here for other people to see. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.